Hey guys, Erik Kyle here, publisher Great Lakes Scuttlebutt magazine. I'm excited to be down at the Miami International Boat Show. Wow, what an event this is. Having a great time. Beautiful boats, fantastic people, and really interesting vendors down here. As a matter of fact, I just ran across Terry Fletcher. He's with a company called Airborn Inflatable Boats. This is something we need to know about for you fishermen or luxury boaters out there that like to have something on your boat or something to use when you want to go fishing up there. So I'm going to have Terry tell you guys a little bit more about Airborn Inflatable Boats and what it is they can do for us up in the Great Lakes. Terry, how are you today, sir?
I'm super.
Good.
What I wanted to do is to talk to you about the first inflatable boat that is being used for flat fishing, specifically bone fishing, but it has lots and lots of other uses. One of the things that allows us to do this is the drop stitch floor. This technology is such that it will allow two people to literally stand in the boat at one time. And of course the floor is encapsulated in an inflatable boat. The next thing that we have is the double oar-lock system here. Now generally what will happen is I will be sitting on the cooler and I can use the front oar-lock system and the second person will be standing. What I'll be doing is using the oars and positioning the boat so that we're getting just the right light, getting just the right turn, and we're ghosting up onto the fish itself. And the whole idea is to set the guy up in front so he can cast the fish itself. The other thing that is really unique and interesting about these boats is that it literally comes apart. The frame comes apart and packs in one ski bag, for example.
Well, how long would it take me, Larry, to break this down or set it up?
Well, as far as breakdown, we can probably do the whole thing in about 5-6 minutes or so. The inflatable boat before and pushing as far as the floor of the boat will all roll to the point where it can fit in a bag that is the width of the stern.
Oh, okay.
Of the boat. And you can literally take that and pack it up and put it in the car so that you can transport it to where you want to go.
Okay.
Then you can pre-assemble as you will take down and put it back with these situation here. In this particular case, I've got an oar lock, and it's good to go. Then the whole thing is inflated with the hook, and then that hooks into these parts, and then you just push and you can inflate the boat.
Outstanding.
So what happens is that you bring the package from the airplane to the rental car or your car and you drive to wherever it is that you want to be able to get to.
Now how much does it weigh when it's... Okay. How much does it weigh, Larry?
The entire boat itself weighs about 48 pounds. You can literally pack and ship on an airplane. So I can take you from this boat show. We could go out and get a taxi. We can go to the airport, we can check it, and you can come over to my house in the Bahamas, and I'll take you fishing.
All right, that's what we're going to do. Hey, if I wanted to find out some more information about the product and I'm not able to make it here to the boat show, where do I go and what do I do, Larry?
Well, right here we've got www.airborneboats.com on the brochure that I gave you. That website has a hot link to all of the video clips that we're showing here. It will answer literally all of the questions step by step as to how you learn more about the boat, how you can contact us, and literally for $2,500 range, you're ready to go.
The price point is what again?
$2,450. By the time you get a cooler and oars and a used motor, we're under $3,000 a year.
Oh, that is fantastic. Larry, thank you so much for the information, and we'll look forward to seeing you out on the water.
Well, that's always fun for everybody. Have a great day.